Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're gonna start up our 72 Nova here. Let's take a listen to it. There you can hear the fan working, the air works. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. Horn works. Got the factory AM radio. Even found some old time rock and roll on an AM station, so that's pretty good. Go to the wipers, there they work. And I'll show you the lights here. And there's your gauges, a little over E. There's your 20 pounds of oil pressure. It's cold because I just started driving it. Runs smooth as can be. There's the engine, power steering, power brakes, AC. Headlights. They got the original style cover on the battery. Just a nice, not loud dual exhaust. Like I said, very nice car. Runs and drives great. As far as I know, everything works. I believe the dome light works. Yep. So any questions? 605-695-7391.